Welcome to the Allient Solution Center. I'm Mitch.
And I'm Nate. And today we'll be talking about the KinetiMax high power density motors, also known as the KM-HPD.
So the KinetiMax HPD series is an outer rotor brushless DC motor series.
They're an outrunner motor, which means the rotor, the part that spins, is actually on the outside. Being on the outside provides a higher rotor inertia, which could be advantageous in applications such as pumps, where you're looking to overcome any disturbances in the system.
These motors are able to be designed into a variety of different applications, such as robotic arm joints, pumps, medical respirators. Another application that's really good for these motors is integrated wheel assemblies for traction vehicles like autonomous guided vehicles, AGVs, material handling robots.
This series of motors ranges between 62 millimeters and 125 millimeters in terms of outer diameter, and each of them have 3 different stack lengths, so you can really hone in on the performance you need.
Size and packaging is typically very important in these applications, so there actually is a little bit of overlap from one diameter series to the next, such that if space is restricted, but you need a certain performance value, you can pick from one of the other series based on what fits your application the best.
Power ranges include between 100 and 1100 watts and rated up to 5,000 RPMs continuous. This series can handle up to 6 Newton meters continuous torque in the larger sizes and as well up to 20 Newton meters peak. Each motor can also come with an integrated Hall sensor board and an integrated temperature sensor. And as with most frameless motors, of course, they have the through bore holes so you can pass cabling or anything that you need to through the actual motor itself. What makes these motors unique is they have a high torque to weight ratio without sacrificing efficiency. That becomes more and more important as we're going towards electrification of vehicles such as AGVs or robotics, where they used to run off of wall voltage, but now they're running off of battery banks. So the less power you're drawing for these motors, the better.
Yeah, the more efficient the motor can be, the less power it draws from the system. You get more charge life and you're using less power. It's also important to note that these motors are manufactured in Europe and they're built to industrial quality and safety standards. So since this is a frameless part set of a rotor and a stator, there is a bit of integration that needs to happen. We're able to provide guidance on how to integrate these motors into your assembly, whether you need to use an encoder, mount a special type of bearing. If you're putting it into harsh environments, we're able to provide guidance on how to work with our product and to get it into your system effectively.
And to get that guidance, you can go to our website, Allient.com, and go to our contact page.
There you can give us more specific details about your application requirements, and we'll get the right team of engineers working on your project.